and thank you for meeting me here. In today's video, I'm actually going to share with you some ways that you can actually get fast results by whitening your teeth at home. Let's get into it. First one, of course, is activated charcoal, and these capsules I actually pick up from Walmart for about $7 or $8, and as you can tell, it's kind of messy. It actually got everywhere. As a matter of fact, all over my hands. It's one of the messier of the methods that I'm sharing today, but still effective. What actually happens with the activated charcoal, not only is it great for so many things when it comes to the body, but when it comes to whitening your teeth, the grains of the charcoal bind to the surface stains that are on your teeth, and it actually helps to remove them. So I took my toothbrush and dipped it, of course, in water, and then I just pick up the charcoal, and what you want to do is just in a circular motion go over all of your teeth. You want to get all the way in the back, and as you can see, the face I'm making shows it's kind of grainy. I didn't love this method, but some people may actually truly enjoy it. It almost is like it's massaging your gums and your teeth, and of course I had to have a little bit more fun with it while I was waiting on it to work, but it was pretty effective. I enjoyed it. The next one, of course, is strawberries. Strawberries contain malic acid and ascorbic acid, which of course is also known as vitamin C. And what you do is take one strawberry and you mash it. I had a lot of trouble for some reason using this fork to mash this strawberry, but I got it done. You can use a food processor if the fork is not working. So I took my toothbrush, and you can actually just kind of roll it around as best as you can. As I'm looking here, I was confused, and then I was like, oh, this is actually not bad. But it was a pretty effective method. Not too bad. Good results. This next one is probably my favorite out of all of them, and it is turmeric. Turmeric and coconut oil. Unfortunately, I had the bottles upside down, so I apologize for that. But they're absolutely amazing for whitening your teeth. The turmeric powder lifts the stains from your teeth, and the coconut oil assists in getting it spread all across your teeth. I actually took 1 teaspoon of the turmeric and 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil. And so you want to mix that really well until you get a paste like that. And then of course I pick it up with my toothbrush, and it felt like it was gliding across my teeth. And as you can tell, this was fun. This was a lot of fun. I literally tried to get everything on my teeth. And then of course I went back in, brushed my teeth, and look at those results. Super white and super quick. Next is actually hydrogen peroxide. So hydrogen peroxide is actually what's used in dental offices to whiten teeth. And this you can get from any drugstore. You can go to Walmart, Target, they all have it. Up to 3% is good for at-home use. So you can take a toothpick. You can take a Q-tip and rub it over each tooth. It might be a little bit more tedious than the other ones, but you still get super great results, super white teeth. But make sure with any of these practices that you are only doing this no more than 2 times a week. You don't want to start to put too much pressure on the enamel of your teeth. You want to keep that intact. So of course, after I left it on for 3 minutes, I went and brushed my teeth as normal, and look at that. Lastly is the electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes are actually considered better than manual because the vibration of the brush can actually remove more stains and up to 70% more plaque. Gotta love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.